don't think my bird eater likes them. He's dragged him out. Oh, he knows where it is. Well, is he backing off? Never seen that before. Alright, no, he's going to have him. He's going to drag him out again. Watch. This is what bird eaters are brilliant at, that. Dragging away their hiding place. Investigating. No, my pinky's going to muller that in a minute. Oh, I don't know if he likes it. You survived, worm. Oh, no, or did you? He's coming back for you. Run, worm. Run, worm. This is like... oh my god, the worm. Run, worm. It's gonna get you, worm. No, I've never seen him not have anything. I'm trying to do this. My bird eater is officially the most aggressive thing I've ever fucking got. He saw there, the minute he sees me coming in, he legs it. Oh, I guess Mario worm now. It's flipping out. Okay, it's there. This is amazing. I thought he would have killed it, or done something to it. He's more interested with playing it. Whereas if I stuck a cricket or a locust in there, bam, it's gone. This worm is just lucky. My other tarantulas, OBT, where is she? She's up in the corner. My great horned baboon there. I have got spiderlings of a Brazilian blondie and a Chaco golden knee, absolutely tiny. But back to Pinky. My bird eater doesn't want the worm. I might as well show you around my room where all the breeding stuff has. I'll see Coke, my king snake, Winston, actually a female, quite funny. I have leopard geckos, 2 females, and my male. Actually, I've got one of my females in with him at the moment. She's going to be in there for 10 days. My crested geckos. Pinky. This is Achilles. He is a 32 gram male harlequin. Absolutely cool colours. This is my, hold on, let's go out to Pinky. I think he might have figured out what it is. We've lost the worm. The worm is gone, and having substrate that deep, it could be anywhere. Fuck. Sorry Pinky, you have a marrow worm in your tank. There you can just see deep in there. You just dug a cave. Oh, fuck, this worm was gone. You know when it goes through when I do this. Alright. Just having a look. Obviously you're going to be stuck with this worm, aren't you? Stressy fuck. Doesn't like me at all. Well, that worm is in here somewhere. Ha ha ha! There it is. Am I gonna fucking get away or what? Not like it. Bad place to go in his cave. I won't be seeing you again. Right, we'll leave Pinky alone. Oh, sorry, camera going down. Right, back to my crystic geckos. That was obviously Achilles I showed you. This is one of my females, Tango. She's almost at breeding weight, but at the moment I don't really want to breed her. She's too good, too awesome. You can see I've got 3 Exoterra tanks there. One on the left is Tango, female. Male Achilles I've shown you. This is my other male Spike. Now he's so jumpy. He's actually down here. I think he was chasing a cricket. He's really jumpy. He's been like this ever since I got him. But I do handle them quite a bit. Yeah, he's always been jumpy. So I tend not to handle them much because of that. And in this big one is my female, my other female, Lucky. Now, when she is actually somewhere, she's there. She is a flame. She's cool. Pretty awesome. And they're all on Rapashi. Let me have a look. Rapashi. I tried them on this stuff, didn't work. They don't like it. Good old stuff, this. Bloody not cheap though. And small crickets for my spiderlings, mealworms for my leopard geckos. Although they actually prefer these Mario worms, which people call giant thingies. More stuff underneath. In this pot here, I used to have a African trapdoor. Getting ready for breeding season, really. All cricket pots for the eggs to go in. I've got these things. I'm quite sad saving all this stuff. It's for to put calcium in for leopard gecko babies. Block to clean up tarantula. I've got to move Pinky into a bigger bloody tank soon. He doesn't like me, It's going to be a two-man job. He's going to probably try and kill me. I think it's a female actually, if I'm honest, because I tried looking at the skins. This is Winston's latest skin. Although it's actually stuck on my tarantula box skin. But to give you an idea how big a king snake she is, she goes over 2 of my Exoterra tanks. Well, actually, that's not even spread out. Practically 2, yeah, actually. That. And these are my tarantula skins. That's one of my spiderlings. And these 2, I think she might have just rejected him. No, actually. See, I'm not entirely sure she mated with him a few weeks back. Load of digging behaviour of her. She may be gravid now. I'll show you. This is my skittish epic gecko. She is. I rescued her. Now she may look like an eclipse at the moment. She's actually in shed. I'm not going to touch her. She is really skittish. But yeah, she's 2 years, I think I was told. But yeah, some guy left her. She was really bad weight. I managed to gain 13 grams onto her. She had really bad shed problems on her feet, which you can see now that she hasn't got that problem anymore. She's absolutely amazing. She's actually a tremper. I can't remember what. Tell me what it was. Get your tail in. You're gonna need that tonight. Good girl. So yeah, normally I would, at the moment, mixing in mealworms with marrow worms. And calcium was for normal, they get it everywhere. But yeah. Maybe I'll have some eggs and an update video for you later on this year. Thanks for watching.